How's it guys, Eugene here from FusionSource. Today I'm going to be unboxing an HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop that was supplied to me by Catman Global Solutions. The HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop has a 17.3 inch Full HD IPS screen. Also comes equipped with a Core i7-9750H up to 4.5 GHz, which sports 6 cores and 12 threads. It has an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Ti graphics card now, which is quite a good graphics card, the Ti being the titanium, and it's got 6 GB of memory. The HP Pavilion Gaming Laptop has 24 gigs of RAM, a 512 GB NVMe, or as I like to say NVMe, SSD drive, plus a 2 TB hard drive. It's got a wide vision HD camera, no DVD drive, and green backlit keys. As far as I've heard, that the green backlit keys are only green and you can't change the color, so it's not RGB. But shall we get to unboxing this thing? Let's have a look at it, because I have been waiting all day to unbox this thing. So finally got it here, ready to show you guys, so I thought I'd leave it all boxed up for you guys. So let's get going. So as you can see by the box, it's a very boring, non-assuming box. It just says HP on it, so you don't know all the goodness that you're going to get. So first thing is a standard power cord, and then you get this big power supply. Okay, so the power supply is quite large. It's a nice long cable. How many watts is this thing? I'm as blind as a bat, and it's a 200 watt power supply. Okay, so that's kind of cool. So we'll take the niceties off just now. And then my Microsoft licensed keyboard, because I'll upgrade. This comes with Windows 10 Home, so I upgraded to Windows 10 Professional because I need it for work. Alright, so let's pop this out here. Whoa, look at this. This looks gorgeous. So let's take it out of here. Okay. That green HP looks fantastic. I love the reflectiveness of it. Okay, so we've got a full plastic body here by the look of it. The whole thing's plastic. Right. I don't know what the exact weight of this is, but it's not too heavy in the hands. A little bit heavy. It feels a bit heavier than your ultra light laptops, but I don't think it's too heavy. I think it's about 2.5 kilograms. It's pretty slim. On this side, we've got an HDMI. We've got a super fast USB. We've got your normal Ethernet cable, and then you've got a USB Type-C. I have heard that you can charge over the USB Type-C and plug in alternate devices so that you can plug in monitors. It's not a Thunderbolt. It's a normal Type-C. Then we've got a SD card slot. We've got the power slot where the power goes in. And then we got 2 more drives that look like USB 3.1, and then your headphone. Okay, so now there's no microphone headphone split, so it's a combined, one of the ones that's a combined jack for headphone and microphone, which I don't like too much, to be honest. On the back here we've got decent, this is the outtake, I think that's your inlet for your air to blow out, so it'll blow out of the tops here. It looks like quite a thing to cool this beast of a machine. Being a i7 with a 1660 Ti graphics card, I think it's going to need quite a bit of good cooling. So we'll see how good the fans are on this thing. Alright, so let's open this. Now let's do the one finger test. So I'm going to lift up here. And, well, not too bad. It does move a little bit, but not too bad. So we can get rid of that fluff cloth there. So we've got our green backlit keyboard here. We've got a power button there. We've got the speakers up. The speakers are in the front here on the top. They're upward facing. I heard they're not too fantastic, but I think an upward facing is a good idea. You've got a trackpad here that doesn't feel too bad. We've got a Core i7 9th gen and your GTX. It's also got Bang & Olufsen speakers. Okay, so that should make it a little bit better. Let's power this thing up. And at the top here we've got the camera with dual microphone inputs. So let's fire this thing up and let's see how it goes. So it's booting up. Wow, that was fast. That is really fast. Straight into Windows because of the NVMe drive. You can NVMe if you want to. It boots up really quickly. The screen looks good. Just bend this a little bit this way. The screen display looks good. It's an IPS display, which is not too bad. The hinge over here is a little bit on the flimsy side. Okay, I think we're going to have to handle this with care, but it is a single long bar, but it does have a little bit of flex in it. So there's a little bit of flex in the screen. Other than that, it's not bad. So let's try out the keyboard. So yeah, the keyboard doesn't feel too bad. Right, so what have we got here? We've got Windows 10 Pro installed. We've got HardyDOS singing outside. It's got the build 18362, so it's actually quite a low build, so I'll have to do an upgrade to the latest version of Windows. Okay, so let's check out the speakers. Let's open up a YouTube video and see how this laptop sounds. I'll do a more detailed review on the sound and on all of that, but let's just check it out for now for this video. So here we go. Wow, that didn't sound bad at all. I'm quite impressed with the sound. The quality is good. For a laptop, we're talking about a laptop here. Sound is good, bass was okay, it's a little bit on the tinny side, but there's ample volume, it's loud. So what I'm going to do now is I want to do a bit of playing around with this laptop, and I will bring a review of the actual laptop in about a week's time. But other than that, we're pretty much done with this video, and it's a decent looking machine. I'm pretty pleased with it. I'm happy with it. I'm really excited to use it and give it a try and see what it's like. So I'll bring you another video in about a week's time, 2 weeks time, of how my usage of it has been with day-to-day usage and the screen and the quality and the durability of the machine. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll hopefully bring you more information about this machine shortly. Thanks, guys. Cheers. That's it for today. Check back soon for more videos. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. This helps us understand what you would like to see. If you want to see more of our videos, consider subscribing to our channel and press the notification icon to be notified when a new video comes out. Post comments. Let us know what you want to see. Tell us if you like this video or if there's any other subject matter that you would like to see. Please consider supporting us on Patreon. We buy everything ourselves in this channel and really want to grow this channel. God bless you guys, love you guys, and see you soon. Cheers.